It detects errors during pressing, such as errors in material feeding and discharge workpieces, and thoroughly manages the feed pace and final products. A monitoring unit that extends the service life of molds. The Error Detector Unit, New Selber. Material fed through from the feeding device comes into contact with a touch sensor, detecting when material runs out. A passing sensor installed at the workpiece feed destination allows the unit to monitor whether items are being discharged correctly. It monitors whether workpieces are being fed through at a steady pace using a passing sensor that is passed through a hole in the material. This type of monitoring prevents incidents from occurring, such as workpieces being processed but not discharged, or continuous processing on workpieces fed through at an uneven rate. It also extends the service life of molds and reduces material loss. The main body of the detector unit at the connection point picks up signals through a touch sensor coming into contact with materials from the feeding device. Once material from the feeding device runs out and is no longer sensed by the touch sensor, an error is detected, and the shutdown circuit from the main body of the detector unit forces a press to make an automatic stop. Infrared beams are emitted between passing sensors that monitor feed through and discharge. As a processed workpiece comes into contact with an infrared beam, the beam detects a discharge and sends a signal to the main body of the detector unit. If a workpiece does not pass between the sensors for any reason, an error is detected. And as when material runs out, the shutdown circuit from the main body of the detector unit forces a press to make an automatic stop. This error detector unit makes it possible to select a monitoring method that is adapted to your production environment, depending on the combination with the sensors. It also aims to protect molds to extend their service life. New Silver adds a demonstrable level of reliability to pressing.